But I want to thank you all. We went through a very difficult year. Here we're today, looking at 2020. It's probably the best year ever in our organization. Probably best year for my career. And I think that everybody's enjoying it. Everybody was able to provide to the families. And I will say that most of the teammates in the company had a record year. This store was able to make it to Dealer of the Year during the COVID, and is receiving this prestigious award from GMF, a President's Award.
The two awards today, right, along with the Christmas celebrations, GM Financial, we're celebrating really the whole Bomnin team today. They're our number one and number two dealers. So West Kendall's our number one dealer, New Dadeland's our number two dealer in terms of volume with GM Financial. And so that's what we wanted to celebrate here today, along with the fact that they're constantly winning the Dealer of the Year award. And this is the first time we're actually celebrating the President's Club Award, that's what we're calling it. And we know they're going to keep winning it year after year because of the relationship that we have.
This is the third year in a row for Dealer of the Year. Know that you are the greatest that we have here in the Southeast region. I'm very proud of the accomplishment that you have as a team. So thank you for all that you do. Thank you on behalf of Chevrolet.
It's really special because we have over 4,000 dealers in the entire country, and they're in a very, very unique select group of dealers. They're actually the number 2, number 3 dealerships in the country. So that makes it very special, and the fact that we can be able to be here in person and recognize that for everybody is very unique.
The entire experience of working with the dealership, from a salesperson through the finance department, which I work with quite commonly, to the top leadership is extraordinary at this dealership.
We have all gone through a lot with this pandemic, and it's amazing that we have reached this type of awards and this level of achievement. And it's just like Arnaldo said, it was the worst and the best year at the same time.
I know Arnaldo and Yanni are very giving people. The Bomnin family is big on giving back, and obviously this event is an example of that, right? Food was delicious, decorations are impeccable, and obviously the words they shared and really the sentiment and the intention behind the party is top-notch.
We're extremely grateful to them for everything they've done throughout the whole year for us, and we're happy, and we're glad to be, like they say, playing automotive.
Dealer of the Year, every year we're going to get that. That's our commitment to the family. That's our commitment to Arnaldo, Yanni, Isidro, Ariani, everybody. That's our commitment to them. We work, they treat us like families. We are family. So the only way you could pay back is working for an individual family that takes care of everybody.